Hello everyone, welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Today I'll be cooking my cauliflower au gratin. It's creamy, velvety, and delicate. It's a great vegetable side dish to your holiday dinner table. We'll start with the breadcrumbs. To your food processor, add your cubed bread. And pulse a few times until crumbly. To your breadcrumbs, add dry parsley. I like to rub it in between my fingers to release some of the oils and flavor. Give it a little stir and add your melted butter, and then give it another little stir. In a cast iron over medium heat, toast your prepared breadcrumbs. This will take about 10 minutes. Stir often. Add a pinch of salt for a little bit more flavor. Transfer to a bowl and set aside to cool. Let's start by preparing your cauliflower. You want to carefully score the core. This will allow the release of the cauliflower florets so they can easily break apart. You want to leave the florets in big pieces so they hold up and not get mushy when you place them in a pot of salted, simmering water. Gently simmer your cauliflower for about 8 minutes. Now, be careful not to overcook them, otherwise they'll become watery when we bake them in our sauce. Transfer into a strainer and let them drain and cool for about 30 minutes. Slice your cauliflower about 1/4 inch thick. Now you'll end up with crumbly little florets. Those are the best because we're going to place them on top and they will crisp up with our cheese topping. My cauliflower au gratin is part of our Christmas dinner table, which you can see at the end of the video. And now for our bechamel sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, add your butter, melt, and give it a little stir. Now add your flour. This is our roux that will thicken our sauce and give it a velvety texture. Now stir often. You don't want it to burn. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes for the flour to cook off its raw flavor. Pour your hot milk slowly and whisk to fully incorporate with your roux. Now whisk often. It'll come to a simmering bubble in about 5 to 7 minutes and it will get thick and coat the back of your spoon. Add your Parmesan cheese, continue to whisk, add your nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Add your Gruyere cheese slowly so it melts completely. You now just made the most velvety bechamel cheese sauce. Ladle in your cheese sauce on the bottom of your gratin dish and begin placing your sliced cauliflower florets in layers. Now you want to start with the larger pieces first and work your way to these smaller florets. Now ladle in some more cheese sauce and continue to layer, spreading evenly with the spoon. Here come the tiny florets. And the final layer of your cheese sauce. Top with your Gruyere cheese and your toasty breadcrumbs. Hope you give my cauliflower au gratin a try. Make it your own by using your favorite cheese and toppings. Place in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes. The crispy, crunchy cauliflower florets are nutty and satisfying, and the cheese sauce is creamy and velvety. Make sure to check out my other videos on how to make all these tasty dishes that you see on my Christmas dinner table. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up so I can keep bringing you more yummy videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.